Sunny the little bunny loved everything about autumn. She loved the crunchy red leaves that tumbled from the trees, the crisp morning air, and especially the big orange pumpkins that sat on every doorstep. But her favorite part of all was coming up soon, Halloween. Sunny had a sparkly new costume, a ladybug. She had shiny red wings with black dots and little wobbly antennae on her head. Her mom, Clover, helped her put it on. Together they set out into the twilight with a little pumpkin-shaped bucket for treats. As they hopped down the lane, they saw all sorts of fun and silly things. A friendly squirrel was dressed as a pirate, a fluffy cat wore a wizard's hat, and their neighbor, Mr. Bear, was a big, cuddly superhero. But then Sunny saw it. At the end of the street was a big old house she had never seen before. It was all dark and shadowy with long, twisty branches hanging over the roof like spooky fingers. On the porch sat a giant glowing jack-o'-lantern with a crooked smile. "That house looks spooky," Sunny whispered, her ears drooping a little. She felt a shiver run down her spine. "I don't want to go there." Clover knelt and hugged her. "It might look a little spooky on the outside, sweetie," she said softly. "But sometimes things that look scary are actually just different. Let's go see what's really there. Just you and me." Taking a deep breath, Sunny held her mom's hand tightly. They hopped up the creaky wooden steps and knocked on the door. It slowly opened with a little groan. Instead of something scary, a kind, grandmotherly owl named Beatrice peered out, her eyes crinkling at the corners. She wore a bright, flowery apron. "Happy Halloween, little ladybug," Beatrice hooted, her voice warm and friendly. "Come on in." Sunny and Clover stepped inside, and Sunny's eyes went wide. The inside of the house was not spooky at all. It was cozy and warm, with a scent of cinnamon and cookies. The walls were covered with paintings of stars and moons, and a soft, glowing light filled the room. The grandmotherly owl held out a small basket. In the basket were little cookies shaped like stars and moons. Sunny took a star cookie and thanked the kind owl. As they left, Sunny looked back at the house. She realized that the outside of a house or a person doesn't always tell you what's on the inside. From then on, she couldn't wait to visit her special friend Beatrice again next Halloween.